Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Wendy D. Kalingayan, Matbela Quirino. Chorus 4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Maramil B. Tunya, Banawe. Chorus 7, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Wilson J.D. Apila, Iangat. Band Officer, Cadet Second Lieutenant Cadet C. Bule, Nagtawe, Major, W. Matulu, Nagtawe.
Banawe. Second platoon leader, Cadet Captain Jesse P. Ruben, Kiangan.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise for the passing of colors. Color Officer, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ezekiel J. K. Guinness, Kiangan, Bravo Company Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Blessargen D. Pungawe, Cebu Nueva Vizcaya, Bravo Company Executive Officer. Cadet Captain Julian Claire Cabudol, Lamon. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Cecil C. Tuga, Alfonso Lista. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Eileen A. Bola, Kiyangan.
At this point in time, the troop commander and his staff is moving back in front of the reviewing stand.